Hello student, welcome to you all in science class, and last class we will start your chapter number 8 in science, the cell. Cell is the fundamental unit of life and also structural and functional unit of life. We have understand the topic of cell and the size of cell and shape of cell, and today we will discuss about the difference between plant cell and animal cell. So firstly we see the plant cell, which cell organelles are present in the plant cell. So firstly we understand what is cell organelles. Every cell is every cell is made up of cell membrane. Okay, every cell is made up of cell membrane, and the cell organelles protect the membrane. So many cell organelles present in plant cell and animal cell. Firstly we see in this, the first one is endoplasmic reticulum. Firstly we see the cell membrane, that is the inner layer in cell membrane, that is cell membrane. In plant cell and animal cell, the first difference is the cell membrane is present in both cell, plant cell and animal cell, but the cell wall is present only in plant cell. That is very important. The cell wall is present only plant cell and absent in animal cell. So second one, endoplasmic reticulum. This one, that is endoplasmic reticulum, and their function is ER function, transportation of food and materials. And ER are two type, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the in rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes, the proteins are present. And the second one, nucleus. In every cell, the center point occur the nucleus, and this is the center point of cell. And after that, ribosome. The function of ribosome, protein synthesis. Protein is major role in our life because they are responsible for our growth. So in ribosomes, they are in photosynthesis process in ribosomes, the protein synthesis processes occur. After that, the teeny particles like cytoplasm and mitochondria. After that, mitochondria, that is mitochondria, and we call powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is also called powerhouse of cell because they contain in form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate energy, and also called the energy currency of cell. So in exam, in many time, a question ask you which is the cell organelle is known of powerhouse of the cell. So answer is mitochondria. And the next one, vacuoles. In plant cell, the vacuoles are large in, जो प्लांट सेल होते हैं इनमें वैक्यूल्स क्या होता है, इनका जो साइज होता है बहुत लार्ज होता है कंपैरेटिवली एनिमल सेल. एंड द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. इन प्लांट सेल the chloroplast is present, and the function of chloroplast, in green plants leaves the chloroplast pigment occur, and the process of photosynthesis, the pigment, green pigment, absorbs sunlight and the carbon dioxide and water adding, and they produce their food in the form of glucose. I think you all understand. That's all cell organelles. And Golgi apparatus. One thing is that Golgi apparatus. ये भी इसका वर्क क्या होता है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ फूड एंड वाटर, and this is also present in both cell, plant cell and animal cell. And this one, the chloroplast diagram, chloroplast, they are occur only in plant cell. So that is the difference between plant cell and animal cell, and I think you all understand the cell organelles present in the plant cell. And after that we see the animal cell. One thing you observe in this picture, the cell wall is absent. The first difference between plant cell and animal cell, the cell wall is absent in animal cell. And you see the cell membrane is present in this plasma membrane, we also call cell membrane, and that is cell membrane. After that, the ribosome, we already know about ribosome. They are work in photosynthesis, and that is cytoplasm, mitochondria. Centrosomes are present in animal cell, nucleus in center part, and Golgi apparatus. Mitochondria also occur. And one thing, in plant cell, the vacuole are large in form, but in animal cell, the small vacuoles are present. And lysosome. What is lysosome? We also know that the lysosome we call the suicidal bag of cell organelles. लाइसोसोम का दूसरा नाम भी होता है जिसे हम सुसाइडियल बैग्स मीन्स ये जो इनडाइजेस्टेड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं सेल ऑर्गेनल्स में, सेल में, उनको ये क्या करती है, ईट करके डाइजेस्ट कर लेती है. सो दैट्स रीजन वी कॉल lysosome the suicidal bag of cell organelles. And also Golgi apparatus occur and endoplasmic reticulum. They are present in both cell, animal and plant cell. I think you all understand the cell organelles. They are present in animal cell and plant cell. And after that we see the difference between animal cell and plant cell one by one. First one, cell wall. Cell wall is present and it is composed of cellulose. प्लांट सेल में जो सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट होती है वो किसकी मिलकर बनी होती है, सेलुलोज की. बट इन एनिमल सेल वॉल इज absent. एंड द सेकेंड पॉइंट, शेप. प्लांट सेल इज रेक्टेंगुलर एंड हैज फिक्स्ड शेप. इन दिस पिक्चर यू सी द प्लांट सेल हैज रेक्टेंगुलर, बट इन एनिमल सेल दैट इज राउंडेड एंड इरेगुलर शेप. जो प्लांट सेल का शेप होगा फिक्स होता है, बट एनिमल सेल में क्या होता है, इरेगुलर शेप. And vacuoles, it has one large central vacuole taking up 90% of cell volume and is filled with watery fluid. तो जो प्लांट सेल है उनमें जो वैक्यूल का साइज होगा बहुत लार्ज होता है और इट कंटेन वाटर. And the animal cell, it has a small vacuole much smaller than plant cell. And fourth one, chloroplast. Plant cell have chloroplast because they make their own food. तो क्या होता है देखो, obviously chloroplast plants में present होगा, that's the reason they make their food in the process of photosynthesis. And the animal cell, the chloroplast is absent because they are heterotrophic and plant cell are autotrophic. Heterotrophic means they depend their food in other organ like a plants. And the next one, plastids. Plastids are present in plant cell and plastids are absent in animal cell because the plastids are present in chloroplast. That's the reason they have occur in plant cell and absent in animal cell. And lysosome usually not evident. प्लांट सेल में यूजुअली नहीं होते हैं फॉर्म, कहीं कहीं पे देखेंगे एक्सेप्ट, बट इन एनिमल सेल लाइसोसोम अकर इन साइटोप्लाज्म. एंड वी ऑल्सो नो अबाउट व्हाट इज लाइसोसोम. वी कॉल suicidal bag of cell organelles and they present in animal cell cytoplasm. And the next one, centrosome. Centrosome absent in plant cell and animal cell. centrosome is present in help in cell division. देखो प्लांट्स में क्या, एनिमल्स में क्या होता है, एक प्रोसेस के बाद जो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है, रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस होती है, उसके बाद जो सेल्स होती है वो डिवाइड होती है न्यू वन फॉर्म करने के लिए माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस प्रोसेस में. That the process we call, that phase we call cell division. So centrosome is absent in plant cell and present in animal cell. I think you all understand the difference between plant cell and animal cell. So thank you for watching this video.